Alright, what's going on, y'all? So, I pulled the aftermarket radio and I installed, the factory radio and installed the aftermarket radio. There's other videos out there, but pretty much 99 to 2006 Silverados. In order to get the radio out, pretty much all you do is you stick a key in and you turn it on, accessory, unlock the steering wheel, and you will put the transmission in the lowest gear. Then you pretty much just pry on this bezel all the way around. Then you will have to tilt this back in order to slide it up between the rest of the dash and the steering wheel to get that out. And let me see, the radio adapter that I got, let me find the paper for it. Here it is, down here on the floor. This is the adapter that I got on Amazon. And it tells you what colors to use or what color goes where. At least for my application, don't know if this is like some sort of upgraded radio, but this is the one I got. There go the part number. And using this adapter, every wire is going to be used except this orange wire for illumination. And in my case, the radio gets constant 12 volts for some reason. So what I wind up doing, maybe, to be honest, I'm kind of too lazy to do that. I was gonna for now just pull the face off so the radio doesn't drain the battery down. But if that's not enough, then what I wind up doing is the constant wire, I'll just splice that into the ignition wire. That way the radio don't kill my battery. Then I just won't have the clock reading how I want it to. But I mean, I test it out and see if this, turning it off like this would be enough so it won't drain the battery. I kind of got a feeling it may be enough. But yeah, the specific radio I got the GM, this in-dash installation kit. And pretty much it kind of comes assembled already. All you do is you pull the factory radio out and you slide the mount in, it clips in, and you can go ahead and put the bezel and everything back up, wire everything up, and then the radio will just slide in. Let me see if I can get this tucked in here. And like I said, the only wire that's not gonna get used is the orange wire. Then I can just slide that on in there. Well, actually, lost some power there. My connection's probably not all the way secured. But yeah, it's pretty easy to install an aftermarket radio in this truck. These trucks, I'll say. Man, I just hope, it don't rattle out. But eventually, I do plan on getting a floating radio. I don't know which size I want to get. I don't want to get one too big because the shifter is going to be close to the screen. It probably won't bother much. I had to look at another YouTube video because I think some time ago, before I even bought this truck, I saw a review on that radio, and they did it on this truck. But if there's like a kit to where I can swap the radio and the HVAC controls, I'll probably wind up getting that. Then it'll kind of be more convenient. But the swap is really easy. I took the factory radio out like 2 days ago while I was waiting on everything to come in from Amazon. Everything else came in today. I got back home and got the radio put in. And I think every speaker in the truck works, except for the driver speaker, of course. But yeah, that's pretty much all there is to it.